Hello friends, how are you? Are you willing to go abroad to get a job and you are thinking that you are not good in English language, and if you go out in the country where the first language is English language but you are not good in English language, then there might be some kind of problems for you to get a job, because most of the interviews are taken place in English language, not in those countries where the English is first language, but also in those countries where the English is not first language. You can say that in all over the world interviews are conducted in English language, and if you don't know the good English language, then you may be rejected, or you may be refused to give the job. So these kind of the fears you have in your mind, and how to improve yourself in English language. If you have not learnt English language in previous time, right now your age is more than 20 years or 25 years, you are willing to improve yourself in English language, then I think that you can improve yourself. Start now. But main thing is that is very necessary is the dedication and devotion. If you are interested to learn English language, then you can learn. And if you are not interested and you are just seeing other people that they are speaking English language, and you should also speak the English language. If the others are speaking the English language, they have done the hard work to learn the English language. You will also have to do lot of hard work to improve yourself in English language. Otherwise, surely you will face some kind of problems in other countries, especially where the English is the first language. If you don't know the English language, you will get minor kind of jobs there. And if you know the English language, you can communicate with others. You can also start your business in those countries, and you know that in business you can get lot of benefits instead of job. Business gives you lot of opportunities. In business you can hire some other people to work with you, but in job you will be the servant of other companies. But if you open your own company, you will hire some people to give the services for your company. So I think that if you know the English language, then there are much chances for you to start your business in those countries where the English is first language. And with the help of this language, you can communicate with the other people. You can grow your business, and in this way, you can become very rich person, tycoon of the society. So I think that English language is necessary if you have the international kind of mentality. Only you can grow yourself on international level if you know the English language, because if you don't know the English language, your circumstances, your work will be limited to your own area. But if you know the English language, with the help of this language you can expand your business, you can expand your talent on international level. So this is the importance of English language. You know that social media language is also English language. With the help of this language you can browse a lot of things on social media, and you can read a lot of stuff, articles, e-books on social media, and there are so many videos uploaded in English language, and with those videos, with the help of those videos, you can improve yourself in English language. And if you are living in your own country, you know that English is spoken all over the world. It is the international language. Even in your own country, the interviews are conducted in English language. So I think that it is necessary for those people who have the international kind of mentality. For those who are limited kind of mind and don't want to expand themselves on international level, for them the national language is okay. But for those who want to spread their talent throughout the world, then English is necessary, because with the help of this language you can make your friends all over the world. because if you know the English language, your national language is different, and you want to communicate with the, for example, with German person. German language is different. German person does not know your language. You don't know the language of German, but only language with the help of that language you will communicate with each other will be the English language, will be the international language. So I think that one should learn international language. We can't learn so many languages because we are busy in some other activities. You know that everybody is worried about their livelihood. They are earning their livelihood. They are doing business. They are doing job. They don't have the time to learn so many languages. But I think with national language, one international language we should learn. This will help us to grow ourselves on international level. Hope you find this video useful. In next video I will talk about some other topics. Till then, allow me, I Altaf Malik, and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.